Here we have an Ingersoll ran 40 horsepower rotary screw air compressor. We have it hooked up to 460 volt 3-phase power, and we're just going to show you a few things about it. Over here you could choose to see your hours. It has 23,739 hours. It also has the unload hours, which is 7,445, and it's got other options like your PSI, the temperature. So we're gonna go ahead and run it and show you that it works. It'll build up to about 115. It builds up really fast when it's just the compressor tank. That was an Ingersoll ran 40 horsepower rotary screw air compressor.